When I come in, I'm ambassador. Please, a clap for my ambassador. Please. It's your team, hello. Please, ambassador Sunday. Get recognized by our ambassador. It's your team, hello. Even Jesus, it's your team, somebody. Come get this young one. Lady, I want you to put on Ambassador. Come get this. Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. Come get this Chief Doctor Sir Ejike Mozalo Isa la condizione non deve di modo che si vede I want to call the next speaker. The next speaker is going to come in to tell us what he has to say for us this evening. But then let me formally say a good welcome to Chief Dr. Ejike Uzalo, the former treasurer of NIDO. He used to be the treasurer of NIDO, UK, and the president emeritus of Ohaneze Ndigbo. He's president emeritus of Ohaneze Ndigbo.